Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Can my voice be heard?
Yes, your voice is heard.
That the meeting will be start in 5 minutes. Meeting participants are requested to make sure your microphone and video are in working properly before the meeting starts. I think we'll begin now. First, I like to welcome you all. I really appreciate to you all for attending, especially such at short notice. I know you all very busy and difficult to take time from your daily tasks for meetings. My name is Wulandari, and I'm the chairman of today's meeting. It's a pleasure to meet you all today. If we are all here, let's get the start. Before I get the start, I like you to please join me in welcoming Mr. Yoga Wismanugroho, Secretary CEO of the company Citra Jaya.
Thank you for having me. Hey everyone, I'm looking forward to this meeting.
Unfortunately, Zianira is the CEO of Citra Jaya, cannot join us today. He has been called away on business in Dubai. On this happy morning, allow me to present the agenda for the meeting, which consists of first opening, next reading the schedule, then meeting discussion about new product innovation, new product production, new product marketing, marketing target, new product marketing development, new product financial planning, and previous product evaluation, and the last closing. First, we will discussion the new product innovation, which will be explained by Wulandari as manager leader. Before starting the presentation, please turn on all the cameras. I will record the session. If you have any question during our discussion today, the easiest way to let me know is with the raise hand reaction. Good morning, my name is Wulandari. I'm the manager leader of Mega Indah Company. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am responsible to perform functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. All these functions are essential for running an organization smoothly and achieving enterprise objectives. Planning is required for setting goals and establishing strategies for coordinating activities. Today, I'm going to talk about the new product innovation. Firstly, I'm going to give you the introduction batik. Next, I'm going to talk about the batik clothes model. Then, I'm going to talk about the target customers. Finally, I'm going to talk about the consideration for making batik clothes. I'd be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by the introduction batik. Permission to share the screen. In the production, can my share screen be seen?
Yes.
In the production business, product innovation is a must. Without innovation, product become out of date. Therefore, we create new product innovation in the form of batik clothes. Why batik clothes? Because batik is a cultural heritage of Indonesia that has been recognized by UNESCO. We make a new product of this batik shirt so that Indonesian culture is maintained and to love thematic products. This batik shirt is no less competitive with well-known clothing brands such as Pull and Bear, Bershka, Gucci, etc. Batik clothes model. The model that we will make also follow the times. We know that batik clothes are identical to formal clothes, but company will make modern design according to young people to fashion. Target customers. The batik shirt models are not only for young people, but all groups for parents, adults, teenagers, and even children. Consideration for making batik clothes. In making this batik shirt innovation, we have calculated in the manufacture of this new product in terms of models, materials, and manufacturing process. Next, for the production of batik clothes, maybe the production manager can explain in the more detail. Thank you. That's all I have to say about consideration for making batik clothes. The conclusion is that this new product innovation in the form of batik clothes will be very sellable in this digital era. Because of the current model and nowadays, there are many platforms to be able to buy the desired product. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Any question? Okay, Ms. Zelva Ananda Subroto.
Permission to ask what makes difference this batik shirt different from other batik.
Okay, this batik shirt from our company has a characteristic in its motif, and later we will give it a label too. Any question?
Permission to ask. I suggest that batik dress model has a Syari dress too.
Okay, for the batik dress model Syari, I have not thought about it yet because the production team is focused on making batik tops only. Any question or opinion again?
Not enough.
We will discussion the new product production, which will be explained by Yunandila as the production manager.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to explain the material at today's meeting. Good morning, my name is Yunandila. I am the production manager of Mega Indah Company. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am responsible to need to be focused production control, quality control, analysis and selection of production methods, plan layout and material handling, proper inventory control, work study and motivation. Permission to share the screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The era of economic globalization is accompanied by the rapid development of technology, which has impact on increasingly rapid change in the business environment. This very tight competition for every company to fulfill and produce product according to consumer demand. The batik industry is very potential to be developed in the production. In the production process, batik can refer to two things. First is technique, dyeing fabric using wax or wax-resisting dyeing, and the second is the use of certain motif which has a peculiarity. To produce new batik products, we plan several planning factors such as raw material planning. The raw material that are accepted to produce new batik products are raw material. Raw material that have good quality, besides that they are auxiliary material in making batik such as wax, dyes, and other reactive chemicals. Production equipment planning. Equipment management is very important to expedite the new batik production process. Selection of the right equipment will be used, preferably tools that are durable, not easy to damage, easy to maintain, and low cost. Manpower planning. Manpower planning is a very variable part of the batik production process in the company. The company is required to place work according to their respective skill and obligation. Cost planning. The cost planning here include the purchase of raw material, labor salaries, equipment purchase, and other expenses related to the production process. That's all I have to say about new product production. The conclusion is that when producing a new product, one must pay attention to things such as cloth, production equipment, labor, and also cost. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Do you have any question?
Permission to ask how to product batik clothes on time and on target.
Okay, that is with routing, complying, workflow, scheduling, dispatching, or transferring responsibilities to operational staff.
Permission to ask, are there any obstacles in carrying out the process?
Yes, the obstacles are difficulty in predicting product demand, difficulty in controlling inventory, difficulty controlling production costs, and difficulty in increasing efficiency in factories. Manufacturing business challenge.
Excuse me, I didn't get that. Could you repeat that, please?
Okay, I just said that the obstacle are difficulty in predicting product demand, difficulty in controlling inventory, difficulty controlling production costs, and difficulty in increasing efficiency in factories. Manufacturing business challenge.
Permission to start the how to overcome those obstacles.
How to overcome this obstacle? Among others, the company can look for the other alternative in managing costs, in carrying out the production process by utilizing its cost to get more profit, so that in the next production process in the company can have sufficient production costs.
Thank you to Yunandila as the production manager who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discussion the new product marketing, which will be explained by Yamamatul Khoiria as the marketing manager.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to explain the material at today's meeting. Good morning, my name is Yamamatul Khoiria. I am the marketing manager of Mega India Company. Let me start by saying a few words about me on background. I am responsible to oversee our marketing campaign for their company or department, implement strategy, promote a business, product or service, ensure the company is communicating the right messaging to attract prospective customer and retain existing ones. Represent the marketing team, to cross-functional group including product management, sales, or customer support, updating senior leadership on the progress of marketing activities and reporting on the result of campaign. Today, I am going to talk about the new product marketing. To start with, I am going to talk about new product marketing. I'd be glad to answer all your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by new product marketing. Permission to share the screen. Basic product marketing plan. Things discussion. 1. Opportunity, new product opportunities for batik. 2. Target for selling batik clothes. 3. Design, some explains of batik shirt design. 4. Product sale, how to sell using online media and boutique. 5. Exhibition, hold a clothing exhibition. 6. Discussion and also question and answer members. Next one, opportunity. The new batik product we have designed is in the form of batik clothes, which are designed more elegant and attract people's interest to use these batik clothes. We take this opportunity because we have done market research and determined the target market for this batik clothes product. This batik shirt, along with the times, has begun to be neglected. Therefore, our company has started to produce batik clothes with designs that are in accordance with the times so that customers have an interest in using the batik clothes we produce. 2. Target batik dress, baby, children, teenager, mature, and elderly. 3. Design. Batik shirt design. Next, product sale. The right marketing location for this batik clothing product can be through our online media. From boutique store, the company used tote bag packing that has a batik design along with the name of the boutique store. From boutique store it offers a promotion every month to attract customer interest. Whereas from online media, we can use available online shopping application. From online media, we still use attractive packing, but different from the packing in boutique store. In online media, the company use a batik design book along with the name of the online shop. With design is not far behind. The beauty is that the packing is still safe using bubble wrap, which is now to protect it from dents. No less than a boutique store, The company online store also offers promotion every week that are no less interesting with discount voucher. Next, exhibition. The company will also hold an exhibition. It can be in a mall or in a building rented to hold an exhibition. The company will also use modeling service to display batik clothes that have been designed by talent designer. The purpose of this exhibition is to make customer more interest and see firsthand the batik clothes product offered by the company. Next discussion are also question and answer members. That's all I have to say about new product marketing. The conclusion is that new product marketing must pay attention to the target market. The product market must be more up to date because nowadays everything is online and attentive audience. Any question?
Permission to ask what are the indicators of an effective online marketing strategy?
Okay, when need to know customer, to do promotion, 3 the strategic place of business, 4 create a budget, 5 build good relationship with customer, 6 have a social media account, 7 email marketing.
Sorry, could you repeat again, please?
Okay, I repeat again. 1 need to know customer, 2 do promotion, 3 strategy place of business, 4 create a budget, 5 build good relationship with customer, 6 have a social media account, 7 email marketing.
Permission to ask, what are the advantages of online marketing for companies?
One, gaining unlimited access through website and social media. 2, SR online marketing operation. 3, cost efficiency with online marketing strategy. 4, expanding reach with digital advertising. 5, airsing monitoring.
Thank you to Yamamatul Horia as the marketing manager who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discussion the marketing target, which will be explained by Yuliana Ayu Susanti as the secretary marketing manager.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to explain the material at Tuesday meeting. Good morning, my name is Yuliana Yusanti. I am the Secretary Marketing Manager of Mega Indah Company. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am responsible to sweeping, prepare, and collating reports, filling, organizing and service meeting, producing agents and taking minutes, managing databases, priorities, work calls. Today I am going to talk about the marketing target. To start, I am going to talk about marketing target. I begin to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by marketing target. Permission to share screen. marketing target. Our target marketing. The target marketing is a group of companies who are the target of our business or company, a place to buy the product being sold. The target market for this batik clothing product is all people from parents to children to face competition from similar business. The way exhibit are as follows. Point 1. Companies must have distinctive motive. This is to distinguish batik from other companies, but usually rival comes from small companies namely by interesting of imitating motif in outer world flowing with materials the shape and relatively have to point to the company do not attack but counter badges. That is to say, if another company has a product that you really like and sell well, the Mega Indah company must make the batik relatively inspirative and product them in like a quenching. Thus, all I have to say about marketing target. In conclusion, the target marketing is important to do so that product sales are linked and target for sale and to face competition. Companies need to create their own unique product. Thank you for being sus and of our animation.
Permission to ask, what is the most effective way to determine who is the right customer segment for our business or company?
That is with determine the target, know the problem and its solution, know the customer executive, study the filter, and set the goal.
Thank you to Yuliana. Thank you to Yuliana Ayusanti as the Secretary Marketing Manager who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discussion the new product marketing development, which will be explained by Yoga Wismanugraha as the Secretary of the CEO of Citra Jaya Company.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to explain the material at today's meeting. Good morning, my name is Yoga Wismanugraha. I'm the secretary to the CEO of Citra Jaya Company. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am responsible to organizing necessary meeting, planning event, deploying a long-term schedule, and managing the executive phone calls. They also have to regularly update certain report for the executive. Today, I'm going to talk about the new product marketing development. To start with, I'm going to talk about new product marketing development. I'd be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by new product marketing development. Permission to share screen. Langsung. New product marketing development, that is use a strategic location. The first way to encourage sales of products is to push the right location. Make sure your shop is an strategic location and easy to reach. Whatever the business, pushing a strategic location is paramount. That way, potential customer will easily print out and access the selling location, like on the side of a big road and seen by many people. So, market survey before you actually start this business. Sure you have surveyed the market, know the highest demand, competition in that location, and know the target you want to go to. This is very important so that your clothing business is more target. For example, if you want to sell baby products, you can start by offering baby supply store. Find out the habits of most customers, prefer product A or B, and various things that are directly related. 3. Tracking and unique store design. Unique and tracking store design can attract customer to come. Seeing from the outset, they are already curious because the design is different from the others. There are many clothing stores that already use this method. So, as in some places, there are distribution that use the container concept. Different atmosphere to attract customer, especially if you add the latest collection of photos. Update clothing trend. Clothing is one of the product that is developing quite rapidly. Various model of the latest clothing can appear almost every day from various well-known brands. Your job now is that with this development and to be able to keep them in stock at all time. 5. Take advantage of the internet. What's not on the internet. Nowadays you can find anything on the internet. Whether it's selling property to just message service, you can find it easily. That's one of the reasons in today's era people rely more on the internet in their daily life. Well, that's what you need to take advantage of. There are social media such as Instagram and Facebook that can advertise therefore relatively cheaper fee than installing billboard on the side of the road. Then you can also create a website specifically for your sellers with the concept that has been arranged. It is very possible that your shop will be flooded with buyers from the internet. So don't hesitate to market your business on the internet. That's all I have to say about new product marketing development. To conclusion is that in developing product marketing, you must pay attention to location, target market, store design, clothing model, and take advantage of the internet. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Any question?
No question.
Thank you to Yoga Wisnu Nugroho as the secretary to the CEO of Citra Jaya Company who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discussion the new product financial planning, which will be explained by Zelva Ananda Subroto as the finance manager.
Okay, thank you for allowing me to explain the material at today's meeting. Good morning, my name is Zelva Ananda Subroto. I am the finance manager. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I am responsible for including end-to-end oversight of financial operation, financial planning and analysis, balance sheet reconciliation, seeking to make improvement to procedure and control, and project and ad hoc requests as and when they come up. Today, I'm going to talk about the new product financial planning. To start with, I'm going to talk about new product financial planning. I'd be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by new product financial planning. Permission to share the screen. Batik new product financial plan. The following is a description of the financial plan for the manufacturer of the batik clothing product in question. Machine purchase cost. Following is a description of the financial plan for the manufacturer of the batik clothing product in question. Machine purchase cost. When fabric cutting machine per unit is 400,000 becomes 1,600,000. 2. Purchase 40 sewing machine per unit is 1,500,000 becomes 60 million. 3. Overlock machine as many as 4 units per unit 2 million become 8 million. 4. Machine attack 2 units of pattern 600,000 become 1 million and 200,000. 5. 10 embroidery machines per unit is 2,500,000 become 25 million. 6. 1 unit of computer for embroidery image is 4 million. 7. Total amount is 99,800,000. Raw material cost. When the price of 1 meter of batik cloth is 100,000 times 30 become 3 million. 2.
The price of 1 meter of plain cloth is 30,000 times 30 become 9 million. 3. The price of 1 pack of buttons is 10,000 times 15 becomes 150,000. 4. The price of one thread is 1,500 times 300 become 450,000. 5. The cost embroidery per piece is 4,000 times 1,500 becomes 6 million. 6. Zipper 1 is 500 times 1,500 become 750,000. 7. Packaging 1 piece is 200 times 1,500 become 300,000. 8. Total amount is 19,650,000. Operational cost per month. 1. Monthly electricity bill is 1 million. 2. Transportation cost or diesel for shipping goods per day is 50,000 times 25 become 1,250,000. 3. The cost of lunch per day for 25 employees is 2 million times 25 become 5 million. 4. Salary of security guard and cleaning service is 5 million. 5. Saving employee salary per day for 15 employees is 450,000 times 30 become 13,500,000. 6. Overtime employee salary per day for 5 employees is 400,000 times 30 become 12 million. 7. Salary of ironing and packaging employee per day 14 employees is 800,000 times 30 become 24 million. 8. The salary of the creative team and the design of embroidery image per day for 2 employees is 8,000 times 30 become 2,400,000. 9. The salary of cloth cutting employee per day for 4 employees is 120,000 times 30 becomes 3,600,000. 10. Driver salary is 1 million. Marketing salary is 2 million. Salary of administrative employee is 1,500,000. Total amount is 72,250,000. So the cost incurred for one month include raw material cost plus operational cost is 19,650,000 plus 70,250,000 become 91,900,000. That's all I have to say about the new product financial planning. The conclusion is that a company needs to make financial planning in advance, so that when producing a new product, the funds that come out are in accordance with the company budget. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Any question?
Permission to ask how to do a good company financial planning.
The step in the company financial management planning, namely by determining the company goals, determining the company activities, finding source of income, the company financial planning, the company financial management in determining expense, recording company finance,
Permission to ask whether the financial planning that you have described is in accordance with the company finance.
Yes, it is appropriate. We do our best to optimize the fund to produce this new product.
Thank you to Zelva Ananda Subroto as the finance manager who has explained the material. Okay, then we will discussion the evaluation of previous clothing product, which will be explained by Yoga Restu Pratama as the CEO of Mega Indah Company.
Thank you for allowing me to explain in the material at today meeting. Good morning. My name is Yoga Restu Pratama. I'm the CEO of Mega Indah Company. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. I'm responsible for leading the development and execution of long-term strategies with the goal of increasing shareholder value. Today, I'm going to talk about the evolution of previous clothing product. To start with, I'm going to talk about evolution of previous clothing product. I'd be glad to answer all of you after my presentation. Let's begin by evaluation of previous clothing product. Permission to share screen. Evaluation of previous clothing product. Evaluation of previous clothing product, namely a batik fashion product, is said to be of high quality if it meets the fit standard or is able to meet the requirement put forward by customer. Quality results are obtained by prioritizing the supervision and quality control of batik clothing according to established standard, including the model or style of clothing, quality of material, neatness of stitch, and accuracy of size, thus to a quality product. The production process must always be under control. To evaluate our clothing product before, we need to know the factor that cause our clothing product are not so well known among the public. First, the design of the clother. The design of the clother is very important to introduce our clothing product to the public. For the design of clother, this team we have to meet what people want at this time. Second, the material of the clothers. For clothers, we must choose material that are good and comfortable when used. That's all I have to say about the evaluation of previous clothing product. The conclusion is that in producing a new product, you must evaluate the previous product so that this new product can still be in the market. Thank you for being so and attention audience. Any question?
No question. Thank you to Yoga Restu Pratama as the CEO of Mega Indah Company who has explained the material. Unfortunately, we're running short of time. We'll have to leave that to another time. So the result of this meeting is that the production of our company's batik clothes will be in demand in the market, according to the target market that was conveyed in the presentation earlier. Is there anything else I want to ask or want to add before our meeting close?
Can we fix the next meeting, please?
Good idea. How does Friday in 3 weeks' time sound to everyone? Let's meet at the same time, 1 o'clock. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, no
Yes,
problem.
no problem.
Excellent. I'd like to you all for attending our meeting today. I declare the meeting is closed. Thank you for joining today's meeting. If there are words that I don't like in the hearts of college, I apologize profusely. Let's close together this time by reading Hamdalah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Have a
wabarakatuh.
nice day too.